So I fitted the seat to the bike and very pleased with it. It's the one from Sellerie, and also fitted some Shad Panniers. So let's have a look at these and see what we got. The Sellerie seat there, it's a nice looking seat, lovely, and it wasn't difficult to put on there. Let's just open that up. What it was those 3 bolts there, and I had to remove the split pin on this, or the cotter pin on this, and take it out, and that was easy done as well. And then for the front seat, all I needed to do was to undo this bolt here and this bolt here. So that was pretty easy. Now for the panniers, it was a bit more work to get thing on, because I had to lift these 2 bolts out here, this one and this one. And then I had to sort of stuff this in between the this thing here, the grab rail, and a bit underneath. And then I had to put extra washers into this bit here, because it needed to bring the bolt out a bit, so it didn't sort of go into this white plastic here. I think it's still gone into the white plastic a little bit. Maybe I could put another extra washer in there even. So I had to do that on all of those. That was a bit annoying. And then that left me, because I was using the washers that came with the kit, it left me with one less washer to put on here. So at some point I'll have to go and find another washer to put behind this bolt here. And then for putting these on and off, it's really easy. I'm quite pleased with it. In fact, I don't need the keys to that. Obviously I can lock these panniers. But if I press that button there, then lift that up there, and that gets me into the side pannier there. So that's pretty cool. And then for taking it off, I just have to lift this up a bit more, pull that back out again, and off she comes. So there, I've got the pannier ready to put on, and putting on is just as easy. Stick that in there, up a bit higher up, put that down there, push that down, and it locks on. And then I can stop that from being opened up with this big key. No, not a big key, the big key. Stick that in there, turn it, and now it's locked to the bike. So it came with this key and another key, and it also came with a new barrel for if I wanted to put a lock onto one of these things. I don't think it's going to fit into this Honda one, but I could have a look and see. I know it'll fit into a Shad one, obviously, but I'm not going to change the top case for a Shad one. So that was that really. It was all pretty easy to fit it. Took me a bit of cursing with those bolts down the bottom there, but apart from that, really good. Now for the next thing I need to do, I need to go for a test ride on the bike to see what it is. My wife's already sat on the back of the bike there before I've actually got it finished, and she says it's much softer than the previous saddle, so that's going to be good. Myself, for my bottom, I don't really notice much difference as yet, but I suppose I'll find out when we go for a trip and I'm on the bike for some time, and find out whether I come back with a numb bum or not. These seats, this seat I ordered, it came with gel as well. You can actually get them with heating, but I think that was a good bit more money. I didn't fancy spending out for heating. I don't really need it here. And so let's just see how it goes with the foam and the gel together, and see if I have a more comfortable ride.